In this video, we are going to create a text falling effect. Basically, this component switches between two different states. When the mouse enters this area, the text will appear and fit in place. When the mouse leaves, the text will disappear again. First, we will click on the second icon in the toolbar to select the frame tool. Then, we will drag a large box around everything to create a frame. Next, we will adjust the size of the frame to make sure it fits the width of our canvas, which is 1440 pixels. After that, we will drag the frame off the canvas. Finally, we'll make it a component by clicking on the Create Component icon, which looks like 4 small diamonds, and it is located in the top right corner of the interface. Next, we are going to add a second state by clicking on Add Property. A small menu will pop up and we will choose Variant. Now, we will see a purple plus icon below our first frame, and we will click on it to create a copy. Let's adjust the appearance of the first state. We will double-click on the first state to select the visual elements and adjust their position. To create a vertical falling effect, we will hold Shift while moving everything up to keep the horizontal position unchanged. Additionally, we will hold the spacebar while moving to make sure the element stay within the frame. After adjusting the position, we will select the frame, go to the Appearance panel, and set the opacity to 0. Now, we want to create our interaction. And when doing so, we always go to the Prototype panel instead of staying in the Design panel. While we are in the Prototype panel, we will click on the first state, hover on the edges, and drag a line from the little white dot to connect it to the second state. An interaction window will pop up, and we will set Mouse Enter as our trigger, Smart Animate as animation, and 300 milliseconds as our duration. To complete the loop, we will select the second state, drag another line from the white dot and connect it back to the first frame. This time, we will use Mouse Leave as trigger, Smart Animate for animation, and keep the duration at 300 milliseconds. Now that the animation is created, let's select our first state, use Ctrl+C or Command+C to copy it, and then select our main canvas. We will use Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste it, and adjust the position of our frame as needed. Finally, let's click on the name of our main canvas, and then click on the Preview button in the top right corner to preview the effect. A text falling effect is successfully created.